Hey, what's up guys, welcome to TANSAFTECH. Apple has officially confirmed they are going to hold a virtual event on September 15, which has a slogan, Time Flies. Only the event date and time has been mentioned and we don't know exactly what Apple is planning to introduce on that event. But according to popular leakster John Prosser, hints that we might only see the release of Apple Watch and iPad Air on that event. For Apple Watch, it is interesting that we are going to see for the first time two different models. As many other leaksters also claim same, and there could be a top of the line Series 6 Apple Watch and another more affordable Apple Watch that has been surfaced with a code name N140S. It will have a Series 4 like design, no always on display, no ECG, only M9 chip. This is interesting to hear for the first time that any company is launching a top-of-the-line model in terms of watches along with an affordable one. This was only seen in the smartphones and now we are also seeing this in the smartwatches. On September 15, there is no iPhone 12 release as per many leaksters. Certainly it is correct as we are hearing a report for the supply chain issue caused the delay. According to John Prosser, iPhone 12 is going to start the mass production starting this week. This pretty much confirms that the device is in complete phase. There is no 120Hz of ProMotion display according to the new leaks which has been surfaced, and that is going to be a little bit disappointing for many of the users. Maybe Ross Young was right last month about the supply chain issue which Apple has been facing for the 120Hz of ProMotion display, that the IC chips are not available. So guys, give up your hope for the 120Hz of refresh rate this year, as you may see this technology in the future next year. By the way, iPhone 12 Pro back panel leak video has been surfaced online courtesy to Everything Apple Pro. It showcased that it is coming with a triple camera setup on the back side with a LiDAR sensor support as well and a flashlight. All the button and SIM tray positions are same, and also we are seeing a large circular cutout in the middle which indicates wireless charging support. The design is also flat just like we have seen in iPhone 5. So guys, take this leak as a pinch of salt as nothing is official yet. Fingers are crossed right now, we might see iPhone 12 release on September 15. I was hoping that Apple will introduce 120Hz of ProMotion display in their device, and if that doesn't happen then this is going to be a deal breaker for me. What are your opinion regarding the 120Hz of refresh rate inside the Apple iPhone? Will you buy a phone with a 60Hz old display, or are you looking for a 120Hz of ProMotion? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and also do consider subscribing my channel if you are new here for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.